Imagine this. It's 2025, and you've just crossed the millionaire mark. You're living your dream life, and as you look back, you realize it wasn't about working harder, luck, or some secret formula. It all came down to one simple rule. Want to know what that rule is? Stick around, because today, I'm going to share how you can follow it to achieve financial freedom and become a millionaire by 2025. If you're like most people, the idea of becoming a millionaire feels like an impossible dream. You work hard, you save a little, but it feels like no matter what you do, you're not getting any closer to your goals. I get it. I've been in that exact spot. I remember struggling to make ends meet, questioning whether financial freedom was even possible. The good news is, it is possible, and it's a lot simpler than most people think. What I realized is that success doesn't come from one big break or working yourself to exhaustion. It comes from consistently following a simple, powerful rule that most millionaires understand. The one rule that can turn your financial future around is this: master the art of compounding. But here's the twist. It's not just about compounding your money. It's about compounding your efforts, your habits, your learning, and your growth. The truth is, becoming a millionaire isn't about finding the next big investment opportunity or striking it rich. It's about small, consistent actions that compound over time. Millionaires don't get rich overnight. They understand the power of compound growth, and they apply it to every area of their life. So how do you start applying the power of compounding to your life? Here's what you need to do. 1. Invest in long-term assets. The first step is to build wealth by investing in assets that grow over time. Things like stocks, real estate, or even your own business. The key is to make smart investments that will appreciate and give you returns over time. It doesn't need to be huge sums. Small, consistent investments are the foundation of wealth. 2. Focus on consistent habits. Success isn't about doing everything all at once. It's about focusing on small, consistent actions that compound over time. Whether it's saving a percentage of your income, reading and learning something new every day, or improving your skills, small changes done consistently will lead to massive results. 3. Commit to lifelong learning and growth. Millionaires aren't just good at making money. They're great at learning and adapting. Invest in yourself by reading books, taking courses, seeking mentorship, and constantly improving your knowledge. This compounds too. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, and the more opportunities you can create for yourself. Here's your challenge. Right now, ask yourself, what small action can I take today that will compound over time? Maybe it's starting to save a portion of your income, beginning to invest in stocks or real estate, or dedicating just 30 minutes a day to learning something new. The key is to take that first step. Success doesn't come from one big move. It comes from consistent, deliberate actions. By applying the compounding principle to your habits, your learning, and your wealth building, you'll create momentum that can carry you to financial freedom. Remember, the road to becoming a millionaire is built on small, consistent actions. It's not about working harder. It's about compounding your efforts. Start today, and by 2025, you'll look back and realize just how far you've come. If you focus on the long term, stay disciplined, and keep learning, financial freedom is not only possible, it's inevitable. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you see how to start compounding your success, hit the like button, subscribe to the Success Hub, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's make 2025 the year you become a millionaire.